I'm doing a few little mods on the front of this. You will see blatantly, obviously, what's going to be really bigly modified, apart from that's got to be done. And that up there. I'm tempted to take these off. Do away with them. Do away with them. I mean, I've already done away with the chromes. They've gone. Welded them up. I have to think of that one. And I'm seriously tempted to take the top of this off and just put nothing and then the leaper. But we'll see. It all depends on how it looks when I start going together. I've also realised if I do away with those, I can put the side lights in here, so that won't be an issue. And if that all else fails, I can use Morris 1000 amber and white side lights in there, which are that big because I've got them on something else. I won't mention what, but I've got them on the car. I'm going to possibly extract some more cars from the EdShed, and I'm going to do some sort of maybe like just quick refurbish and try and get rid of, because I've decided I need to sell some stuff, and I actually already know that. And I think before I get embarked on my next big project, and I know you're going to say this is a big project, this is just a taster, this one. But because this is in conjunction with the blue one, so we're going to do both those. The paint work, I'm going to use the tent, the leaking tent. The weather stays at 30 degrees. The tent can be a good spray shop. I don't know whether the neighbours are going to be happy, but anyway. Right, well, I haven't really got any neighbours, so I should be alright on that front. But from that point of view, I'm going to try to do all that outside. So all the filling, all that, instead of having the shed full of white dust like we had last time, which was a bleeding nightmare, I'm going to do all the paint, all the sort of stuff that's going to make lots of like crap. I'm going to do it outside. So this may well come outside on the dolly, not the beam. Now, the other thing I decided was I was going to go with possibly steel wheels, but I'd like to go with wires. I have got wires, and I have got steels. I haven't got I mean, I've got a set of steel wheels, I've got a set of trim rings, I've got a set of good steel hubcaps, but I just think it looked bloody awful. So I think I'm going to probably go with wires, but we'll see. We'll see what happens. We'll see how we get along when we get that far. Because obviously, I think body-coloured wires on this would look bloody awful because it's grey. But anyway, we don't know. We'll see. But anyway, from that point of view, we've got quite a lot done in the background, and I have been working. So don't think that I haven't. But I will say that apart from the bit there that's got to be sorted, she's starting to look pretty good. And once I can get sort of this thing out, then maybe I can get on with something else. But there you go. Talk to you soon, guys. And like I say, if you enjoyed watching, and watch. If you don't, well, watch anyway. But please remember to click the like button and press the alarm bell and do all that stuff, because YouTube really aren't being very fair, are they, at the moment, as you're probably all aware. Putting adverts into videos and not paying people, putting adverts in and double advertising for themselves, and we're the people that provide the content to watch, so we're getting shafted and it's not fair. Talk to you soon, guys. Bye for now.